When I lived in Kurdistan, it seemed like everyone I met who was from Kirkuk spoke 3 or 4 languages. I wondered, are people from Kirkuk smarter than the rest of us? But when I asked them about their skill in language, they told me that their secret was daily contact with different languages. At home, they might speak Sorani Kurdish, but their best friend might be from an Ashuri family. The dukan they go to might be Turkmani, and their teacher at school speaks Arabic. So every day they have contact with all 4 languages. And this makes learning and retaining these languages something natural. From this we can learn an important principle, which I call the Kirkuki Principle. Daily contact with another language makes learning and retention easier and more natural. This is why I make videos about English every day, so that my students will have a Kirkuki opportunity for daily contact with the English language.